I decided to pursue an apprenticeship because it gives me the opportunity to earn my degree while getting hands-on experience. When I started here, I didn't have any professional certifications at all, and I was able to earn all of my certifications that I needed for this job within the apprenticeship program in a very short period of time. And I'm able to learn things correctly the first time instead of maybe doing something in a way that is not the best way to do it. You learn the best way the first time, and then that's just how I go about everything.
Transitioning from one career into another, it's been just a very positive experience. The apprenticeship program and the online classes that I'm taking have supported me in my goals to become not just someone who is in the classroom, but someone who is very knowledgeable about their field.
It was a little bit challenging, but I did have the support from my mentor and administration to help me through being successful in my college coursework. When it comes to different job opportunities, it's opened a lot of doors to success. It will make me marketable as a teacher, and if I want to excel a new position in the childcare field, it will help me to do so.
I'm a mother and I work full-time, and I'm able to do this because it helps me maintain the work-life balance. And I'm able to do my coursework, and I'm able to work, and I'm able to go home and spend time with my child and do it all without losing any part of that.
I have a 2-year-old son, and it's very helpful that I'm in a field of early childhood education because I can apply that knowledge at home in my personal experience.
You may not have the knowledge or experience needed for the job, but you have the interests and you have talents that fit the job well, and you have the dedication to work really hard and to be open to learning from people who have more experience than you, you can really set yourself up to be able to transition to something new and really thrive in that.